Hello and welcome to this video of affiliate marketing. My name is Mitesh Mishra from Rags to Riches. In the next few minutes, where I'll give you an introduction to affiliate marketing and how it can help you earn money online. So let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a performance based marketing strategy where businesses reward affiliates for each customer they bring in through their own marketing efforts. Here's how it works. First, a business creates an affiliate program, which is a way for affiliates to sign up to promote their products and services. The affiliates then promotes the product through their own marketing channels. Kind of, you create an email funnel, you create a website, you create a blog post, you create a YouTube channel, Instagram channel. It does not matter. Okay, social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook are great places to promote affiliate products. Now, you can create content that showcases the product in a genuine and authentic way, and include your referral link in the given social media post. This way your followers can purchase the product and you earn a commission. All right, you have to put that in mind. Now, blogs are another popular channel of affiliate marketing. You can write reviews or articles about products in your niche and include your referral link in the content. If someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you earn a certain discount. Sorry, not discount, actually, amount. And there are several benefits of affiliate marketing. You have to keep in mind, it is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to put in effort. All right, now you have to keep this in mind before you move forward. Now, first, it's a low risk way to start an online business. You don't have to create a product or handle customer services or chargebacks or returns or those kind of things. You simply have to promote a given product which have been already proven, and it's already being sold for 2 millions of people around the world. Now, what you have to do is you have to take that particular product and search for that audience that is looking for that product, and you have to provide that product to them via your link. All right, now there are a lot of websites, there are a lot of companies that offer these type of affiliate programs. But if you want to start, nothing about affiliate programming and you don't know anything how to do, what you have to where do you have to get product, there are two particular websites that I would like to tell you about. One is the ClickBank, the other one is the Digistore 24. You can go there, you can choose an affiliate program, and in such a way you can do things. I'll show you in a minute how does it work. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go to ClickBank, which is an e-commerce company. All right, let's see where is ClickBank, and I'll just make it visible for you in the. All right, what you have to go do is go to the ClickBank home right here, and here you have to click on start here. Although I already have a ClickBank account, but I'll try and make a new one for you. You click here, you put in all the information that you want to. Now let us customize your ClickBank experience. So please select the primary reason you're signing up. You can just skip this quick guide and move on to create the login account. Now here you can sign up. Okay, after signing up, you'll go to the ClickBank. There you have to select a particular niche that you want to trade in, and sorry, not trade in, you want to jump in. And then what you have to do is you have to just select that, and that particular product must be sorted out through Gravity means you have to get that product sorted out, which gives you the highest commission. Okay, now there are several networks, like I have already told you. The easiest one is the Amazon Associates. You can join that. There is Share a Sale, there is ClickBank, there is Digistore 24. You can typically get from 5% to 50%, and in some cases up to 80% of the sales that you make. So if a product costs $100, then you have to just keep in mind that $100, you if a person buys that product from your link, your affiliate link, you are going to get $80 if it is providing 80% of its share. If it is providing 50%, you get $50. If it's providing 5%, now you can do the maths. Okay, now let's talk about how to get started with affiliate marketing. First, you have to do research and search for a niche. According to me, there are three niches which sell a lot. One is health, the other one is wealth, and the third one is relationship. You can choose either of these niches, or you can choose your own niche if you want to. You can go to electronics, you can go to technology, you can go to whichever niche you want to, but that niche must appeal to you. Okay, unless you like that particular product or that particular niche, you cannot ask people to join. All right, now there are thousands of products related to your niche. You just have to search a niche, and finally what you have to do is you have to create an account in that particular website, or go and jump on their affiliate programs, create account there. After doing that, what you have to do is I'll tell you everything part by part, but this is just the introduction of what affiliate marketing is actually. And so that's it for the introduction of affiliate marketing. Remember, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money, but it takes time and effort, okay, to build an audience. If you want to know how, and if you want to know what to do, I'll be putting a link in the description to get you the free ebook that you'll need to get started. You can start from there, or you can choose any one if you want to. You can go and Google search and look into other YouTube videos if you want to, but that ebook is going to help you to get started and actually help you a lot. We'll discuss all the other things: how to create an email funnel, how to create a landing page, opt-in page, bridge page, how to introduce your product, how to get that email. And for me, the email list is the main thing. You have to create an email list. The larger the list, the more money you're going to earn. Okay, so on this note, I would like to say goodbye to all of you. Have a great good afternoon, good evening, good morning, or good night, whatever you're having right now, and I'll see you in the next one.